Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach. Let's do something different today. When we start practicing English speaking or when we start to speaking in English, we try to use simple sentences, simple words so that it's easier for us to speak about it or speak on it, right? So here today what I've thought of is I'm going to tell you how you can use that simple sentence into an advanced vocabulary or an advanced level, or how your beginner level sentences can sound more advanced and next level. And it's very simple. I'm just going to do a comparison. I'm going to tell you a simple basic sentence and then an advanced or a next level sentence which means the same. So if you start practicing in this way, it will be a great help for you. You will start understanding how you can refine your sentences, how you can speak better English so that you can go to the next level or take your English to the next level. And it's very simple. Let's do it together. The first sentence is she drinks water or I drink water. This is a basic English sentence which we all use every day. Now, just to make it more refined, more advanced, how should we talk about it? She sips hot coffee, or I sip tea, or she sips tea or hot tea, or hot chocolate, or anything else, right? Sips or drink. So, you can talk in this way. She drinks water, she sips tea or coffee. Okay, next. We go to school. Go, we go to school. So then the word is leave. We leave for school at 7 a.m. Okay, so we go to school, we leave for school at 7 a.m. So instead of saying we go to school at 7 a.m., we can say we leave for school at 7 a.m. Okay, next. Come, like he comes home or I come home. Okay. The word which you can replace here for an advanced version is arrive. I arrive at home by 9 p.m. or I arrive by 9 p.m. every day. Next, see. I see a bird. I see a building. Anything, right? What is the other word which we can use to make it a better sentence? Observe. Every morning I observe children going to school. Every morning I see children going to school. I can say every morning I observe children going to school. Right? Next, like I like mangoes. I like this. I like that. There are lots of things we like and we talk about it every single day. This is a basic simple sentence we use. I like this. I like that. I like to have a cup of tea. So how do we replace this sentence with a better one? The other one word is admire. But we cannot use in terms of I admire to drink some tea. We can't say that. We can say I admire this painting. I admire somebody's beauty. So this is how it is. But if you want to say I like mangoes, you can always say I am fond of mangoes. I am fond of tea, coffee, anything. So fond of. This is another word which you can use in place of like. So fond of, admire, these are the words which you can use to express the same feeling in a better way. Okay, next. Want. I want a sandwich. I want some breakfast. I want to have lunch. Right? So this is a very simple sentence we use every day for our everyday day-to-day activities. Now instead of want, what else you can use? I'm craving for sandwiches and coffee, or I'm craving for food. Anything you can talk about here. The other word which you can use is instead of want is desire. So we can't say I desire a sandwich. She desire a promotion, or she desire to be at this position, or my desire is to become successful in life. Okay. Next, happy. It's a very common word which we frequently use many times a day. I am happy. I am happy for you. This is a happy news. I'm happy to do this. So we use happy many times. Now instead of happy, what else we can use? Joyful. It's a happy day. It's a joyful day. The children are happy in the park. The children are joyful in the park. It's a joyful news. Right? So this is how we can replace our sentences with more and more new words. Next, big. This bag is big. This building is big. This tree is big. We talk about it. Like big we use very commonly. Now what else we can replace with this? Enormous, gigantic. So instead of this tree is big, this tree is gigantic. This building is enormous, huge. These are the words which we can replace depending on what we are talking about. You have to remember, guys, you have to know what you're talking about and then you have to use the words. So vocabulary is always related to the context or the topic which you are talking about. This is very important. You have to understand that. And that is why I have come up with a lot of sessions which are related to vocabulary and I've always connected that to a topic. So that is where you get to understand what vocabulary you can use in what context. And that understanding has to be there. The more you practice, the more you speak, the more you read, you will be able to grasp that. So that is why reading is very important and talking or speaking about it or understanding the concept is very important. The last one is small. The boy is small. That dog is small. We use a lot of sentences with small. So what best word we can use to replace this? Tiny. The insect is tiny. Or this insect is tiny. This dog is so tiny. So instead of small, we can use tiny. Little. So these are the words which we can use in our sentences to express the same thing but in a better way. So start collecting vocabularies and their synonyms as well. So these are the synonyms. If you know what synonyms are, it will be easier for you to start using that in your sentences to replace that word with something else. So here synonyms comes into play. So start taking up vocabulary and start learning their synonyms. And it will definitely be helpful for you to speak English fluently and confidently with advanced vocabulary or next level vocabulary, like a native speaker. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. And if you like my channel, do subscribe it, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye bye. Take care.